Dave Johnson of Berwyn, Illinois had one thing in mind when he started to recreate a replica of one of Pontiac's most successful race cars, the 1963 AFX Tempest. Purchased in Dublin, Ohio, the car went through a complete overhaul as the big search for original 421 ST parts began. Ray Bessick came through and a 421-based power plant began to take shape. 63 Pontiac 421 ST heads and a 65 421 block opened up 60 over, gave it the 432 cubes required to give the competition some headaches. Again, standard name brand components make up the heart of this AFX, topped off by 3 different types of Pontiac ST manifolds as needed, including a NASCAR 4-barrel, a medium-rise dual quad with 2 Carter AFBs, and a high-rise bathtub dual quad with 2 Carter AFBs. With Rick Johnson at the helm of another super stocker buildup, this car was well on its way to pure full-throttle performance. A Jericho 4-speed tranny with Hurst linkage again seemed to be the favorite choice. Capping off the back end was a shortened 63 Poncho rear end packed with a strange spool, axles, and a 513 gear. A 50-50 split of Moroso and Firestone rubber pushes the car down the track to a best time of 10.86 seconds at 124 miles per hour. With a paint job based upon the original factory colors of 1963, the White Warrior walks the walk and talks the talk. Next up is Joe Zajak's 1963 Pontiac Catalina, the Rompin Redskin. This car is a reproduction of the rare Super Duty drag racing only cars built by Pontiac in the early 60s to compete in NHRA competition against Chevy 409s, Ford 406s, and Mopar 413s. This particular car was purchased in Alabama in April of 1985 for a mere $150. Powered up by a rock stock 389 2-barrel hooked up to an auto tranny, this car was for all intents and purposes a good old-fashioned grocery getter, though not for long. The restoration started that very summer with a complete full-body removal, inspection, and replacement of parts as required. Pulling out the tired old 389 was an obvious choice, as a fresh 421 outfitted with 12-to-1 Arias pistons was dropped in to give the Catalina some extra kick. A liberal dose of reliable aftermarket performance was added, along with 63 NASCAR heads. To quench the thirst for fuel, Joe added 2 original Carters atop a factory dual quad manifold. Hooker Super Competition headers matched to Flowmaster Pulse Tech collectors provide the exacting exhaust flow to move this punchy Pontiac down the track to a best currently recorded ET of 10.81 seconds at 123 miles per hour. As a member of the Midwest Nostalgia Super Stockers, Joe's Super Catalina sees duty at various racetracks all over the Midwest, from Texas to Pennsylvania.